Good morning. Time to brush our teeth.
Let's brush, brush, brush.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Keep them shiny white. Morning time and bedtime too. Brush them left and right.
Just a little bit, like a tiny pea. Not too much.
Round and round the front teeth go. Scrub away the sugar. Yes! Brush back here too!
The back teeth need brushing too.
Brush your tongue too. It gets germs.
Blah, blah, blah.
Hey you! How long should we brush our teeth?
2 minutes.
Brush for 2 whole minutes, twice a day.
2.
2 minutes long. Brush to the song. Germs go away. Hooray, hooray!
Yay! Rinse and spit. Wash all the bubbles away.
Look at those beautiful clean teeth. You are all superstars. Clean teeth make us healthy and strong.
Yay!
Brush in the morning, brush at night. 2 whole minutes to get it right. Healthy teeth and healthy me. Happiest kids you will ever see.
Remember, brush twice a day.
Next time we learn about yummy fruits and vegetables. See you soon.
Bye-bye, toothbrush. Bye-bye, teeth.